to change your country on Amazon Prime Video, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your account. Click on the account and list. From the drop down menu, select your Prime Video. Scroll down to the bottom of the Prime Video page and find country and location settings. Click on Change next to your current country settings. You'll see a list of countries where Amazon Prime Video is available. Choose the country you want to switch to and click Update. Follow any additional prompts or verification steps that may appear. Once updated, go back to the Amazon Prime Video homepage or refresh your page. You should now see content available for the country you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed your country on Amazon Prime Video. Now you can enjoy a wide selection of movies and shows from different regions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.